Hey everyone, it's Michelle here from Fine Natural Hair and Faith. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here, and if you're new here, girl, where you been? Anyway, welcome. Today's video is going to be a relatively quick one because it is a quickie tutorial on how to do a twisted bang. I shared this style several years ago for Vlogmas, and a bunch of people asked me to show how I did it. And sorry guys, it took so long, but it's really simple. It looks way more intricate than it is, but let's get started. When I did the style, my hair was parted in the center. For today, my hair is parted on the side. I'm just going to show you the variation of how it looks parted on the side, and then I'll switch and I'll repart it in the center. So obviously you need a rat tail comb if you don't have parts in your hair that are permanent. I tend to have permanent parts that just live there, see? And I'm going to just take those parts. And your parts do not have to be perfect. In fact, it's probably better that they aren't. And so all you're going to do is take this one side and twist. You could put your hair up in the back. I don't have my clips with me right now, but you really don't need it. You really don't need it. So you're twisting your hair really loosely here. Not too loose, but not too tight either. So that's good enough. Then you're going to section out this side and twist this side like so. And I'm twisting away from my face on this side and toward my face on this side. That's just how I naturally twist. If you feel that you want to try it both ways, twisting forward and twisting backward, you can obviously do that. How this twisted bang comes out looking will probably be different every time, but that's okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this. I want to make sure that this is sort of under, and I'm going to pin it on this side. So pinning that across. Right now, it doesn't look like much. But then when you take this side, you're going to cross it over and you're going to tuck it in and pin it on this side. Make sure your bobby pins are in good. If you need more than one bobby pin, that's fine. And then what you're going to do is just start adjusting. What you're going to do is adjust it until you find that it falls exactly where you like it and pin it in place. And so that is it. That is so simple. This is with my hair being parted on the side. Hence why you see the variation of it being here. But this is a great way to hide thinning edges. It is a great way to hide gray edges. But now let me show you what it looks like with my hair parted in the center. And this is how I did it originally. Okay, so now that my hair is back down, I'm going to part my hair in the center, and I'm going to use the rat tail comb for this. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect parts. What you do have to do is make sure you do this on blown out hair. Don't do this on your curly hair. It just won't look right. I blew my hair out last night and I have a bit of texture to it because I sweat in my head. You want to make sure that you actually use large sections because our hair is fine. We want to make sure that it looks nice and full. So I'm starting all the way back here. And again, I have permanent parts, so I don't need to part with the rat tail comb right there. Actually, I'm going to twist going forward this time so you can see. Forward is sort of not how my hair would normally be twisted, but this helps to mold it in place easier when you go to pin it. Now that I have the two twists, all I'm going to do is crisscross them. I'm going to take this side and I'm going to pin it here so that you can kind of see the twist. and then twist it across this side over. But I'm gonna bring it across the top to hide that part. And then all you do is adjust. So the good part is when you do the center part, it comes out more even on both sides. And that's okay if you actually have it uneven. This is not meant to be done exactly the same way each time. So I'm going to pin this here, and then all you do is adjust. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist the back of my hair because I don't leave my hair out, especially since I'm home and I'm just walking around. But essentially what you could also do is take this and you could put it in a bun in the back, put it in a top knot. There's many ways that you could style the back of your hair, but this is just a really nice, intricate looking way, even though it's not intricate at all, as you saw, to hide some gray edges or hide some thinning edges. Twisted, bang. Now, I will show you some photos at the end of what my hair looks like once I've done the back.